This is the My Favorite section of Doc Portal. Here you just click the arrow button and it will take you to the list of your favorites if you want to view it in this way. You can click on it and download it from here if you would like to, but what makes it convenient is that you can stay on your home page and then just download it from here. You just click it and then you can see that it automatically downloaded the file for you. In this section of the tutorial for My Favorites, click on Departments, for example Sales, and click on Sales Report to access Documents, and then hover over this area and then click on Follow, and you must be in the classic view of SharePoint to see this, and then you see it popped up in the top right hand side, and click on Home. And then you'll see it in your favorite section, and then you see the thumbs down, click on that, and it disappears. Easy as 1, 2, 3.